Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. This is our WTI crude oil. So we want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. Now, for those who have been following this channel consistently, with us that for 2 days now, I did not post anything. The reason is that I've been busy, right? I've been out, I've been doing something, so I don't really have time to actually check the chart, to analyze the chart and try and update you guys. So I'm very, very, very sorry about that. So I'm sorry. Those of you that were waiting for me, right? I'm just super sorry that I'm not being able to update you. But right now, let's quickly take a quick look at this our WTI analysis, right? So I will start from here on this movement. So I would see here as a bullish move, right? Here we'll take it as a correction. And here we can see that this bullish move actually broke this previous highs. So see a confirmation we are on an uptrend move. Then a correction happened, right? Then we had a bullish move, guys, right? So we kind of predicted that our price will actually move further up, right? So which I'm still expecting price should actually move, right? So well, we can see that so for I think that during that period when I was unavailable, we kind of had that bearish move. If I was, was available, I was analyzing the charts better, I could have told you guys, I would have been able to predict this bearish move, but I was not around to be able to predict it. But anyways, take a look at it. Price has dropped, right? So what do you expect this movement to be made, right? So I personally believe that this crude oil will actually go bullish and get to a level of 88, which is personally what I believe. Do not also forget that price can even drop further down to a level of 83. So have that in mind that currently WTI crude oil is trading at a level of 86. We are trading at a level 86. So have it in mind that there's a strong probability or possibility that it will drop to a level of 83, even 84. So have that in mind. Do not be surprised if it drops to a level of 84. Do not be surprised, right, if price drops to a level of 84. But I personally, I still want to believe that this price should actually get to a level of, close to, I think, a level of 88. Now, take a look at it. Reason is that we can see that price has once reacted at this level, which we've highlighted, right? We saw price, push up at this level. The price kind of gave us a pullback at the same level of 88 before our price continued to go bullish. So now we'll be expecting our price to give us that pullback. Since it is bearish, it has dropped, right? We want to see kind of like a bullish move to get to a level of 88. So this is one of the reasons why I personally think to get to a level of 88. Now take a look at it here. You saw that price has once reacted here, right? See it. This is a level of 88. Once price got to this level, it's dropped, right? You saw it's a level of 88 here. Price got to the same level again before it pushes up. So I believe price should actually move further up and get to this level of 88 for the next day. Now let's see it better on the 4-hour time frame. So we want to see it better on the 4-hour time frame. So this is consider price as once reacted here, right? This is a level of 88, right? So if you take a look at this, like a lower lows, let's just assume this is a bearish move, a lower lows, a lower highs, right? Now a new lower lows, then a correction occurred, right? A lower highs, and now a new lower low. So we should kind of see a continuous, lower highs. But one thing is that price have not gotten to this, like a level of 88. I think the correction has been made. I don't even know. But let's see if we can have a further bullish move. I will come to this 88 before we continue to go bearish. That is one of the reasons why I told you guys that do not be surprised that if price get to a level of 83, right? Because of course this is a bearish move, right? And we want to see this WTI drop further down, right, which will be very much likely to get to a level of 84 and 83. Do not be surprised if it gets there. There's no problem. But I still think that this pullback is not over on this WTI. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a bullish move on WTI crude. Maybe once that bullish move has been made, it gets to a level of 88, then we might continue to go bearish. And if this WTI crude does not go up, it continues to go bearish, then guys, still follow the trend, short it by the way. So we very much likely to drop to a level of 83. What I know for sure is that since we are at a level of 86, if this WTI can just drop to a level of possibly 85.250, then once I know or I will advise you guys to do is to actually short it. So watch out if price actually gets to a level of 85.250, then short it down to a level of 83. And this WTI crude oil, like I'll say it again, if this WTI crude oil drops further down to a level of 85.250, then short it down to a level and take your profits at 83 dollar per barrel. But if in case it continues to push up on this WTI crude oil, then I want you guys to be able to aim at a level of 88.270 before our bearish move will continue on WTI crude oil. So it is just how the movement will be made for the next day, and it is once the movements make a certain way, then we'll be able to place our trade on a certain way.